I bet you guys didn't know that your teacher is actually a famous chef. Well, maybe after this video I'll be a famous chef. Anyway, today I'm going to help you learn the most amazing cookie recipe in the world. This is my own personal recipe that I've devised over hundreds of years to make it absolutely perfect. I've only shared it with my family before, but now you guys are going to get in on it. So, yeah, my recipe is top secret, so don't tell anybody about it, okay? Yeah, anyway. Start off, you have to have sugar, brown sugar, about 1.5 cups brown sugar, about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, a cup of butter. First thing you do is you blend the ingredients. Sugars and the butter. Next, after getting these all blended together, we add some eggs, 4 eggs, pre-cracked for you, and then, very important ingredient, the vanilla. Now, be very careful with how you measure this. It's supposed to be exactly 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now, I really like vanilla, so I'm going to go beyond the 1 teaspoon. I'm going to make it a tablespoon. After all the eggs and a little bit of vanilla are all blended in together, we then move to the dry ingredients. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Fully use a fork to just spin them all around. Do this pretty well because baking soda has to get into the flour well. Then you add the dry ingredients to the mixture you already have here. And once again, blend it up. It's at this point where we get to the really special ingredients. You've been following this pretty much with a few changes in amounts, but now we're going to add special things. First of all, the oats themselves, they're the special thing. But then butterscotch chips, as well as fruit bits. If you get sun-made fruit bits, they're the best. Any type of dried fruit can work too. And then I kind of like to add in a few bits of semi-sweet chocolate. We'll mix these all together, and we'll be able to form them into balls and put them in the oven. Batter made, you just make little balls, put them on your baking tray, and all you have to do is cook them for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. So that's how you make Dad's special cookies. Now, I have to tell you the most important thing about this. When you make Dad's cookies, you have to share them with your family. Now, one thing I didn't tell you is that you have an opportunity for an extra credit assignment in my class. If you decide you want to make some of Dad's special cookies, or you can make any cookies you like or any other treat you like and share them with your family, you can get 50 extra credit points. Since we weren't able to see Bye Bye Birdie and get extra credit for that, this is going to be a replacement of that. So in order to get the credit, what you have to do is make your own treat, then take a video of yourself sharing a little bit with your family. So just a quick thing, a couple seconds of them enjoying the treat that you make for them, and then email it to me and get your points. Enjoy!
That was delicious, by the way.
Was it good?
Yeah.
I gotta test it.